We're making whoopie pies, and our frosting is very smooth, so I'm going to show it to you.
What flavor is our frosting, Chef Tim?
It's vanilla.
And what flavor is the outside of your whoopie pie?
It's like devil food cake chocolate.
Devil food cake chocolate. Why is it called devil's food cake?
I don't really know. We have to put it in the oven, but before you put it in the oven, no matter what, you have to put the devil's food cake in the baking place. Because if you don't, all it will be is burnt metal or something. Hot metal.
Okay, so you're going to put it in?
Yeah. What you have to do is put it in like this, because it's how you put it in, because it shows a picture and an arrow.
Ah, yes, very clear. Thank you, Chef Timo.
And you always have to look in the oven to see if it's at least, I think the door is closed, because it was a door.
Okay. Then how long do we cook it?
10 minutes. While we're doing that, we could look why it's called devil's food cake.
All right, well, we'll be right back with that information, right?
Yep. Can we let them cool down?
Yes.
This one was really big and very goodly cooked that I might just want to eat this one first. It looks very good.
Okay, good to know.
And this one's pretty big, but I don't know if I want to eat that one first. I think I might want to eat this one first. It looks like a mushroom, and I really want to eat it because it looks really good. The reason it was called devil's food cake is because it's the opposite of angel's food cake, and it also is really moist and heavy. I think the ones that I cooked before I cooked these ones, it should be cooled off.
Okay.
Oh, this one is very cold.
Well, let's go over to the frosting station then.
I made it by pushing very soft, and it didn't do much. It looks sort of like a hamburger. I'm gonna taste it. It's so good. It makes me almost want to happy cry.
What are the flavors? How do the flavors taste to you?
Most of the stuff I'm tasting in this one is the frosting, but the most part I like to chew is this part, the devil's food cake.
All right. You have anyone you want to share those with? Your cameraman?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, well, thank you, sir. The cake is so moist, and the frosting is so sweet.
We have 4 more left, so we can. Would it be fair if Nathan and Dad get 1 and we get 2?
Well, we did all the work, right?
Yeah.
So I think that would be fair.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat another one?
That's the end of this week. See you again.